I wake up, guess who I thank first? Guess who I thank first when I wake up? For even breathing.
I want y'all to understand that God is real. Without God, there is no us. I'm telling you.
God is great.
Is it that simple?
God is great. Don't get no simpler than that, bro.
You gotta look up. And when you look up, there's somebody there waiting for you. His name is G.O.D.
I've been protected. I've been directed. I've been corrected. I've kept God in my life and has kept me humble. I didn't always stick with him, but he always stuck with me. So stick with him in everything you do.
Some God really believe in put me here to go through this. And now I see all the hundreds of thousands of lives I'm changing.
Jesus loves me, and he loves you too, and he loves you too. He loves these people in here, and he loves everybody in the world.
And for the first time, I truly feel free. I truly feel I'm doing something for me and me alone, and that's giving my life to Christ, because as long as I hold on to him, he will always hold on to me. He'll never let go of me.